everyone, I'm Ellen Canner. I'm the Edgy Veggie and author of the award-winning book, Feeding the Hungry Ghost, Life, Faith, and What to Eat for Dinner. We're over 2 months into life during COVID-19 and we're feeling the stress. We're feeling it financially, we're feeling it emotionally, and friends, we're starting to get a little weird. So what I want to do today is kind of bring the craziness down a click with a mindfulness exercise. And of course it's me, so I also want to give you something nourishing for your body. We're going to do a 2-for-1. It's going to be fast, it's going to be easy. You know, I take the soulful vegan thing of mine very seriously. There is so much we do not know about life going forward, and what we have been through is scary. I want to acknowledge that. But what I can do is get you to focus on where we are now. I often talk about mindfulness being a way of turning a bright light on something you know, and in the beam of that bright light, seeing it with greater clarity, more awareness. And the thing is, unfortunately, you can't just do the bright light once. You have to keep doing it. That's why it's mindful. Okay, so just right now, I want you to take a breath and realize you're okay. Let's do another breath. Savor that. You're okay. In fact, I can tell you, you are more than okay. You are wonderful. You are complete and beloved, just how you are. And that's pretty great. Are you feeling it? Maybe, maybe not. So let's try it with something really simple. I'm gonna share this recipe from my book, Feeding the Hungry Ghost, my Moroccan carrot salad. Guess what the main ingredient is? It's carrots. I have washed them. I always wash my vegetables, and I especially do now. But I do not necessarily peel carrots unless they're gnarly. These to me are not gnarly. So what I'm gonna do is just trim them. Take off their tops. And now I'm going to run them through the food processor with the, what do you call it, shred blade. This will take a moment. It will be slightly loud. There, that was exhausting. So now I'm going to dump my carrots free. Oh look, there's a rogue. Now I have nice uniform carrots. And I am going to dress them with this easy as anything dressing. Just enough olive oil to moisten. Some lemon juice. A little agave for balance. Cumin. Cumin is high in iron, which is necessary to produce hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the stuff in your blood that sends oxygen to your lungs. We need to take care of our lungs, especially now during this coronavirus. A little chili for a little immunity building and a little pleasant sweetness, and a little paprika. Sweet, hot, smoked, whatever you like, whatever you got. A pinch of salt. And parsley. We're all feeling a little battered, so's my parsley, but it's really going to come to life in this recipe. Parsley has something we are all kind of anxious to get right now. Vitamin C. I know we think oranges. Parsley has a lot too. Also, naturally antiseptic. There is no food or drug at this time that is going to repel or cure COVID-19. I want to be super clear on that. But everything in here is good for you, and it's delicious. And it makes use of what we have. This is so important now. It's exactly like the flashlight, you know? Taking stuff that's just been sitting in your fridge, maybe underloved, and giving it a new life. So I'm gonna taste this. And just look how pretty and vibrant it is, too. Who wouldn't want that? But you're going to be amazed at how fantastic it tastes. This recipe is in my book, Feeding the Hungry Ghost. And for something out of nothing, it's really Carrot's finest moment. Making the most out of what you have, out of who you are, is its own mindfulness practice. It is delicious. It is everything. My book, Feeding the Hungry Ghost, is full of mindfulness techniques. I call them gentle nudges. It is also full of seasonal plant-based recipes like this one. So, since we're all sitting at home looking for something good to read, I might suggest you check it out. In the meantime, everybody, be well, namaste, be kind to yourself. Till next time, I'm Ellen Canner. Thanks, bye-bye.